Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, your class starts Monday, and I thought I'll put this little video log together so you can know exactly what you have to do to get yourself started. Now, I will be emailing this to you, so you'll have it in the email. But this will also be your first discussion question to make sure you understand how your course should be managed. Follow the video so you'll know exactly what to do. Now, when you log into your course, there are particular things I'm going to show you that you need to focus on. For instance, I'm on the home page. You need to take your time to read through the home page. It's important. I work hard to put this information together so you'll be in the know. With that being said, your next step should simply be to go to the content. The home page is going to tell you to go there too, so you should go there. You will notice that you have a section for the syllabus. Read your syllabus. The syllabus is king. The syllabus is the law. I even have to follow the syllabus. So read through your syllabus. You have to read through your syllabus because up here you have a quiz that you will take called your syllabus quiz. And if you don't read your syllabus, you won't even know what your assignments are. So read your syllabus. With that being said, you have another section here that takes you to all your coursework. Once you click this link, it should teleport you to your coursework. If you have any problems with this link, let me know immediately. If you have any problems in any situation in this class, let me know immediate. But we're going to come back to this. And of course, you have right here your my office hours when you can contact me. So just make sure if you need to get in contact with me, here's my office hours. Here's the Zoom link to get in there. And if you read the syllabus, you'll know exactly when the meetings are, when you can have a meeting with me. But anyway, it's on your home page and it's also on the syllabus. So make sure you know when to set up a meeting with me. Okay, here we go. So now with that being said, I'm going to show you right here. This is where your syllabus quiz will be. Make sure you take your syllabus quiz. It's worth 15% of your grade, so I would take the time to take that. That can dramatically hurt your grade average. Okay, with that being said, you also have the section called the discussions. You have to do a discussion every week, so make sure you read through this information. And yes, you will have an introduction discussion. That's this video here. So you're going to review the video, then you're going to answer the questions, and that's your first discussion. Okay, make sure you answer the questions because you're going to have to look at the video to know what the questions are anyway. You're going to come to content. Once you get to content, you're going to click on the Pearson link. Now this is where you will do all of your work inside of Pearson. So make sure that you click on that link. Now once you click on the link, the book is built into the course, so you'll be able to go right into the book. And it's also paid for, so you don't have to pay for nothing because this is a book that is part of the course and it's already paid for. So you don't have to worry about that. You're just gonna click on open. Make sure you click this. Try to avoid clicking any links you see. Once you click on that, you then will be teleported inside of your course. Now I'm gonna click the student view so you'll see it the way you will see it. And as you can see, it'll have your date, your calendar here. It'll have assignments here but you cannot do the assignments until you read through the material. And guess what? Here it is right here. Here's an ebook. So every assignment is date organized. So you don't have to worry about what do I have to do on what particular week. You already have that laid out. But you have to read through the textbook. Try not to do these assignments without going through the material because the assignments are geared towards the material. And then you only get one shot at the assignment. You don't get 2 or 3 shots. You get one shot. So once you click on the book, you can see all of your books laid out right here. Now, people, every section has a particular book. So you see all of the Microsoft stuff right here, Microsoft 360. You got Word, you got Access, you got PowerPoint, you got Excel, and then you got an introduction. But you need to read through this material by simply clicking on it and reading through it so you'll know how to do your quizzes and your other assignments. You also see right here, Technology in Action. That is a bunch of quizzes that you'll be taking, but you got to read through the material. Now, in short, that's basically how the class is set up. It's nothing hard, and you should simply be able to answer the questions or do the quiz. You have a syllabus that will break this down. I'm jumping over here to the syllabus because I want you to know exactly where you will get your points from, and the course calendar that's right down here at the end of the syllabus that you will be able to do to complete your work. This is your schedule. It tells you exactly what you're supposed to be doing week by week. You see the information in here. All you have to do is follow it. Every week you'll have a discussion. Every week you'll have a Technology in Action, which is called HW. You have class activities, and you will have labs, which is Skills for All, Word. Your books will outline what you have to do, and you'll be able to go back and also take your quizzes and stuff like that. If you have any questions, I behoove you to get in contact with me ASAP. Now you can send me an email, but if I don't understand your email, I'm gonna ask you to meet me in a Zoom meeting so we can clear up any matters. It's on you to reach out to me, not on me to reach out to you. So I'm gonna send you this video so you can get started, and I'll see you in the next video log. With that being said, this is Professor Sistrom.